Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Perchance AI on your PC for creating dynamic and engaging text-based content. First, you will need to open your web browser and go to the Perchance AI website. There is no need to download anything as it is a web-based tool. Once on the site, you will see several templates for text generation, from simple lists to advanced story builders. You can either start from scratch or use an existing template. So to start generating, click on Create New or select a template. Input your own text prompts based on what you are looking for, whether it's a character description or a random story generator. Once you are happy with the generated text, you can either save it to your account or copy and paste it for use elsewhere. And that is how to use Perchance AI on your PC. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.